Hi foodies, I'm going to show you how to plate balance doing different types of plates. A lot of confusion always happens when I tell you guys to plate balance because then there's a bowl, there's a little plate, there's a snack, there's dessert. So I'm going to show you. Jay's plate balance is going to be different than my plate balance, but it's going to be balanced. So I'm balancing it for nutrition. You guys know that I've told you that I also have a plate balance for losing weight. This is my plate balance for losing weight. This is my plate balance for maintaining. So in order to do the plate, you need to make sure that you have grains and pastas and rices. You need to have your protein. You need to have your starchy vegetable that falls in line with the grains and pastas and complex carbs. And you also need to have your non-starchy veg. So there's a non-starchy veg section on both plates. It's over here on this plate. You can go off plate. Just call it off-roading. You can eat as much of the non-starchy veg as you want. I don't want you to be hungry. I do want you to have your protein and your grains and your complex carbs to give you satiation and fiber that you need so that you are satiated throughout the day. That is one of the things about the whole foods and plant-based lifestyle. It's not a diet and you're never going to feel hunger. You're not going to feel like you are waiting until your next meal. So if you're doing it right, you will be satiated. So this portion right here, consider it off-roading. Sometimes we off-road into a big bowl, which we call our head bowl salads, and we make a giant bowl filled with vegetables here with whatever dressing that we want, and we eat the whole thing on the side of our plate. Or we do a smaller version that's going to be considered the non-starchy part. So keep that in mind. So I've got Jay's hummus here, and we've already heated it up. By the way, heat up your hummus. It's a game changer. My sister taught me that when I went to go visit her in Cyprus when she was living in the Mediterranean. So it is a complete game changer. I've got some sesame seeds and sumac and za'atar. We like to top our hummus with that, so I'm going to be topping Jay's hummus with that. We don't top it with olive oil. You guys know that we don't use oils. So this is going, I'm going to put a little bit more because this is Jay's, and you have to make sure that you get enough of your bean or legume portion. So I've got about 3/4 of a cup here. So half a cup to a cup is going to be a serving of protein, which is the beans and the legumes. So this is going to be for him. And now I'm going to also give him, oh, did we toast the bread, babe?
Yep.
Let's get the bread. So what kind of bread did you toast?
Ezekiel.
Okay, so we like the, what color is the bag?
Orange.
Say hi.
Oh, hi. Hi, foodies.
So Jay's already toasted our bread, and we like to use the Ezekiel bread. We like the orange bag. For some reason, that's the flavor that we prefer. So I'm going to give Jay one of these portions. This is going to be part of his complex carbs. So I'm going to put it on here. And then I'm also going to put potatoes. So potatoes are your friend in the whole food and plant-based world. We have the Instant Pot going because we're steaming more potatoes because I keep them always in my fridge at all times so that we can snack on them. Jay sometimes goes into the fridge and just opens the container and munches on them, dips them into whatever he can find because I keep a lot of different dips. So here you go. Look, you guys. His plate is starting to look like this. So we've got the complex carbs here. We've got the protein and beans right there. And we have their chickpea because it's hummus, and I homemade that one. So he loves this tzatziki. So we are going to go ahead. He's so starving that he can't, off camera, he's over there munching around on the potatoes that he just washed to put in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to now give him an entire portion down here of vegetables so that he can dip into his hummus. So the more non-starchy veg that you can fill up right here, the better for you. He loves celery, so I'm going to give him some celery. And then I'm going to give him some cucumbers. And if he needs to get more tzatziki or whatever to dip into it, he can. So we've got the veggies there. And I'm going to give him a side of a cruciferous salad. So here I have green onions. We put mint and we put cilantro. And we are going to toss this up with a lime cilantro Dijon maple vinaigrette. I'll put up the recipe for it later, but it's super easy. You just put maple syrup, you put 1 to 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard or any type of mustard that you have. Then you put some cilantro, you fill it up with cilantro, and then you fill up the rest with lemon juice. So, and I put super seeds. I put a combination of hemp with flax and what else am I missing? Hemp, flax, and chia seeds. Okay, so and I'm gonna toss it up, and then I'm gonna put it on our bowl. And as you saw, Jay's portion right here looks very much like his plate. We've got half non-starchy veg, and we've got the complex carbs. We have the bread, and we have the potato, and we have the protein, which is the hummus. Now, he's going to off-road because he's going to get some of this salad. So we are taking that non-starchy veg off to the side, and he's going to have this portion. So that is perfectly balanced right there. Now, for me, I am going to have the rest of this, and this is going to be my non-starchy veg. So I'm going to put it in a bowl just like his. I'm going to off-road it. I don't want it touching my food that I'm about to make. So I'm going to put some eggplant, which is a baba ghanoush that I made that is eggplant mixed with chickpeas. So essentially it's a hummus mixed with roasted eggplant that turned into a baba ghanoush. And I put some spices in it. So I'm going to liberally put this on because this is going to be my bean. And it has the eggplant, which is non-starchy. And then I'm going to put some tzatziki, which is soy. And it's made out of my soy yogurt. And I've got cucumber in it. And I have shallot in it. And I have Greek spices in it. So that's going to add to the bean component. And then I'm going to top it off with some veggies. So I'm going to put some cucumbers. And as you see, I don't have the same plate as Jay, but I am building the premise of vegetables. I know that my tzatziki has cucumbers in it. I know that my baba ganoush has eggplant in it. So I'm going to be having some non-starchies that way. I have the multigrain Ezekiel bread, which is my complex carb. And then if I want to, I can have some potatoes on the side for more complex carb, but that is how you balance. I can even put some more tomatoes on here, and that will give it some of the non-starchy veg balance. So I've got the non-starchy veg, I've got my bean, and my protein, which is my chickpea soy combination of the tzatziki with the baba ganoush that has chickpeas in it. And then I have even more non-starchy veg with the eggplant that's inside the baba ganoush and the cucumber and the shallots that are inside the tzatziki, topped with the non-starchies on top and then the multigrain on the bottom. And I'm going to be having my non-starchy cabbage salad. So which we did with a lime vinaigrette type that doesn't have oil in it. Now, when you're trying to absorb iron into your body, you want to have lime or a vitamin C enriched food. So any vitamin C enriched food while you're eating will help you absorb the iron from the beans and the legumes that you're having so that your body processes it better. So we've got the lime dressing in our cabbage, which is going to help us along with our lunch. So this is my lunch, and it's balanced, even though it's all on top of each other. And then we've got Jay's lunch, which looks like this. And he's got an off-road of cruciferous veggies, which are non-starchy. Look at that. Tell me that's not a lot of food. I don't know that he'll be able to finish it. And if he can't, he can just save it for later or keep munching on it in his office or throughout the afternoon as a snack. So I wanted to show you guys, same balance, different plates. Bye, foodies. Hope you're having a happy day.